Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas presents in Anime Vanguard. These special presents are a crucial currency for the winter event, allowing you to unlock exclusive content. Your main goal will be to participate in the limited-time winter portals, which are the primary source for these festive rewards. Once you've gathered enough, you can spend them on powerful new units from the event banner or exchange them for valuable items at the dedicated event NPC. Let's dive into the details. To begin your present hunt, you'll need to open winter portals, which can be bought with gems from the winter shop. For the most efficient farming, focus on portals located on planet Namek, as these offer a more manageable challenge. Each successful completion of a winter portal will grant you access to a subsequent one, with difficulty tiers ranging from 1 to 10. Clearing higher tiers will significantly boost your present acquisition rate, making your efforts more rewarding. Once you've gathered a good number of Christmas presents, it's time to decide how to spend them. One of the most exciting options is to use them on the Winter Events Limited banner, giving you a chance to summon powerful, exclusive characters. Alternatively, you can visit the event NPC in the quest area to exchange your presents for various useful items. For those who wish to speed up their progress, presents are also available for direct purchase with Robux. To truly maximize your Christmas present haul, consider these strategies. First, utilize your strongest, exclusive units, as their enhanced stats and abilities will help you clear those challenging high-tier portals more efficiently. Second, make it a priority to consistently complete winter portals, as progressing through the tiers up to tier 10 directly increases your present farming rate. Finally, investigate AFK farming methods, which can help you gather thousands of presents with less active effort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.